Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well today guys I'm really excited to share a walkthrough of the Reject Shop Australia and check out their amazing new range of home decor. I hope you enjoy. Guys, here in Australia, the Reject Shop is a discount variety store, and to say they have lifted their game when it comes to their home decor is an understatement. I'm so excited to go in this store every few weeks because there's always a new range. This particular range this week is the beautiful, it's a cross between a Victorian style of decor as well as this beautiful mushroom-like decor, and I especially love these checkered mugs. There is so many adorable items to be found, guys, and I'm definitely missing having a home. I really wanted to say thank you for all your lovely wishes in the sale of my home, and I'm loving looking at new decor, but obviously I don't have a permanent home to put this in at the moment. But I love checking out all their items, especially in the clearance section, guys. The Reject Shop definitely has a wonderful collection in their clearance section as well, and this particular style is so me, you know, the very French provincial, glamorous, yeah, just gorgeous. Now, because I moved house, guys, I hadn't been in the Reject Shop for quite a few weeks, so I've sort of been in between two collections here. This is from the previous collection, and they still had a lot of that in store, and I absolutely loved everything here. This is so me, especially these perfume bottles. I just thought there was the frame perfume bottle, and there was also this decorative one, and I just thought it was so gorgeous. Now guys, you know I love shopping at TK Maxx. It's definitely my favourite store, but the Reject Shop is coming in a very close second, guys, with all the pretty decor they bring out, and especially the fact that it's really affordable. I just love all the cute items. How adorable are these cute little garden stools, guys? I just thought that was so precious. There were so many adorable items in their gardening section, guys, and I especially loved these adorable little birdhouses.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul.
Now, I was really excited to see the pumpkin decor was still in store. Now, this was from a few collections ago, but I really loved this. And pumpkins, guys, are really hard to get here in Australia. They come out in Halloween and it's usually just in TK Maxx. So to see that the Reject shop had brought in some decor in the shape of pumpkins was very, very exciting.
Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough.
Now, this style of mushroom decor was so adorable. This is from the current collection, guys, and there was just so many cute things to find.
Feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed shopping with me at the Reject Shop Australia. Now, I'll be back next week with another shopping video for you all as I transition to finding my forever home. So I love if you would stick around and check out my videos. Give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.